Hello everyone, my name is Rina and today I would like to present my interview for the final English exam. The topic of this interview is job and responsibility. I am here with Mr. Aditya Miko Irwansyah, who work in the manufacturing field. His experience is very relevant to this topic because his job requires responsibility, discipline, and teamwork. Thank you for your time today, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
I'm very happy to have you here today. To begin, could you please introduce yourself and tell us about your current job?
Okay, my name is Aditya Miko Irwansyah. I work as a production supervisor in a manufacturer company. My main role is to supervise the production process and make sure everything runs smoothly.
Thank you for the explanation. That sounds like an important role. What are your main responsibilities in your job?
My responsibilities include managing the production team, checking product quality, and ensuring workplace safety. I also make sure that production targets are achieved on time.
I see. These responsibilities are very important for the company. In your opinion, what does responsibility mean in the workplace?
Responsibility means doing our job seriously and being accountable for the result. It also means being ready to solve problems when they happen.
That is a very clear explanation. Responsibility really plays an important role at work. What challenges do you usually face while doing your job?
The main challenge is meeting production targets while maintaining good quality. Sometimes unexpected problems occur and must be handled quickly.
That sounds challenging, but it must give you valuable experience. What skill do you think are important to handle your responsibilities?
Communication skill, discipline, and problem-solving skills are very important. Leadership skills also help me manage the team better.
Those skills are very useful, especially in the working world. Lastly, what advice would you give to students who will enter the working world?
Okay, my advice is to always be responsible, disciplined, and willing to learn. Having a positive attitude is very important.
Thank you very much for the advice. I believe it will be helpful for students. Thank you, Mr. Aditya Mikirwansyah, for sharing your experience and insight. This interview has given us a better understanding of job and responsibility.
You're welcome. I'm glad to share my experience.
Thank you everyone for watching. Now, let's continue to the presentation part. Hello everyone. Today, I would like to present the result of my interview. The topic of my presentation is job and responsibility. I chose this topic because job responsibility is very important in the working world. Understanding responsibility helps students prepare for their future career and develop good work ethics. The interview was conducted with Mr. Aditya Miko Irwansyah, who worked as a production supervisor in the manufacturing industry. Based on the interview, Mr. Aditya, main responsibilities include supervising the production process and managing the production team. He is also responsible for maintaining product quality, workplace safety, and achieving production target. According to Mr. Aditya, responsibility means being accountable for work result and completing tasks with commitment. Responsibility also involves solving problems and supporting the team when challenges arise. One of the main challenges in his job is balancing production target with quality standard. He explained that teamwork and good communication are essential to handle unexpected problems. The interview saw the communication, leadership, discipline, and problem solving skills are very important in handling job responsibility. In my opinion, responsibility is a key factor in building professionalism. This interview taught me that having a good attitude is just as important as having technical skill. It also motivates me to prepare myself better for my future career. In conclusion, every job has responsibility and challenge. Responsibility helps individuals perform better and succeed in their career. This interview has given me valuable insight into the importance of job responsibility. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.